Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate your Telegram channel with Pric. Let's get started. First, log into your Pric account. Once you've logged in, go to the left sidebar and click on Telegram. Next, click on Launch Telegram Channel. You should now see your phone number displayed in the integration section. If you want to proceed with this number, just click on Click Here, or you can connect a different number. Let's say you want to connect a new number. Make sure it's the one linked to your Telegram account. I'll enter my phone number here and then click on Verify. Now the OTP will be sent directly to your Telegram app. You can either copy the OTP from Telegram or input it directly into the dashboard. If your two-factor authentication is turned off, the integration should proceed smoothly. But if it's turned on, you might face an issue. To resolve this, go back to your Telegram app. In the settings, go to Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy and Security tab, find two-step verification. Enter your password to access this setting. Once you're in, disable the two-step verification. Now come back to the Pric dashboard and refresh the page. Re-enter your phone number and click on Verify. Enter the OTP once again and click Next. The integration should now be successful. Here's something really convenient. You don't need to go back to Telegram to create a new channel. You can do it all directly from the Pric dashboard. You can either integrate an existing channel or create a brand new one. Let's create a new channel. I'll name the channel Study With Us. Select Education as the category and click Next. For Telegram memberships, you can create different plans. Here we offer default plans. You can edit these plans according to your needs. Just click on the edit icon, adjust the price and add a discount if you wish. If you don't want to offer any certain plan. In my case, I don't want to provide the yearly or semi-annual plan. I will simply deselect it. It won't be created. If you want to create a custom plan, click on Add Your Own Plan. Name it, let's say, My Plan. Set the duration to 45 days. And it will be for $799 and save it. Once that's done, click on Next and your Telegram integration is successfully created on Pric. You can click on View to see the details of your new Telegram channel. Here you'll find all the details, including the subscription link. You can copy this link and share it with your customers. So they can join your Telegram channel directly. Now, let's switch over to Telegram and take a look at our channel. Here's the Study With Us we just created. You can customize it further by editing the channel details. You can add a profile picture, change the channel name, and update the description. If you need to adjust your memberships or subscription plans, just head back to the Pric dashboard. In the Telegram tab, click on your channel name or the view icon to manage your Telegram channel and plans. Here you can manage your Telegram channel. I hope this guide helps you get started with your Telegram membership on Pric. Thanks a lot for watching.